Creating presentations and AI-generated content is no longer limited to desktops and laptops. With Gamma AI, you can also work directly from your phone or tablet, making it easier to create slides, documents, and web pages on the go. So in this guide, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI on mobile step by step. First, open your mobile browser and go to the Gamma AI website. Depending on your device, you can use Chrome, Safari, or another modern browser. Now sign in using your email address or Google account. So if you're new to the platform, create a free account first. Once you log in, you'll see the Gamma AI dashboard adapted for mobile screens. Here you can access presentations, documents, and existing projects. One helpful tip is using landscape mode while editing slides. The extra screen space usually makes navigation and formatting much easier. And honestly, Gamma AI works surprisingly well on mobile for quick edits, presentations, and content creation. Yeah, it's especially useful for creators and students working while traveling or away from a computer. And that's your full guide on how to use Gamma AI on mobile. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create and manage AI-powered presentations directly from your smartphone or tablet.